What is backpropagation? AI Neural Network Explainer. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence systems learn from data? One key process behind this learning is called backpropagation. This algorithm is essential for training artificial neural networks, which are vital components of many AI applications, including ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Midjourney. Let's break it down in a way that makes sense. Backpropagation operates in two main phases, the forward pass and the backward pass. During the forward pass, the neural network takes in input data. This data travels through layers of interconnected nodes, known as neurons. Each neuron calculates a weighted sum of its inputs, adds a bias, and applies an activation function to generate an output. This process continues until the network produces its final result, whether that is a classification or a prediction. Once the forward pass is complete, the network compares its output to the actual expected result using a loss function. This function measures how far off the network's prediction is from the real answer. The difference between the predicted output and the actual result is known as the error. This is where the backward pass comes into play. In the backward pass, backpropagation calculates how this error affects each weight and bias in the network. It does this using the chain rule of calculus, which helps determine the gradients. These gradients show the direction and size of adjustments needed for each parameter to reduce the error. With these gradients in hand, an optimization method like gradient descent comes into action. It updates the weights and biases, making the network's predictions more accurate over time. This process repeats for many iterations, allowing the neural network to learn patterns from the data effectively. Backpropagation is especially important in supervised learning, where the network learns from labeled examples. It is the driving force behind the training of deep learning models that power AI tools like ChatGPT, which generates text, and DALL-E and Midjourney, which create images. However, understanding backpropagation also brings up ethical considerations. The quality and bias of the training data can directly influence how the model behaves. Therefore, it is essential to curate datasets carefully and be transparent about the model's limitations. In essence, backpropagation is the algorithm that enables neural networks to improve their performance by minimizing errors through calculated adjustments of internal parameters. This process is fundamental to modern artificial intelligence and machine learning, allowing for the advanced capabilities we see in today's AI applications.